Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the September unboxing from the LookFantastic box for you. This is, if I remember correctly, the birthday edit. Very excited to see what is in. These are the new boxes again that you open on top, not on the front. It's weird, they change it up. So I don't have any makeup on because you know LookFantastic, they always send me stuff that I need, really. I feel like they're spying on me, to be quite honest. So yeah, let's just open it up and see what we have. It's beautiful. It's actually really nice. It's very heavy as well. So we have the leaflet here, or the booklet, or whatever you call it, that will tell you what is in the box, and then some other additional stuff. Oh, there's a code. The advent calendar that is coming soon for LookFantastic, obviously. If you want it, this is the code. Let me zoom in. You get what? Get your advent calendar for only £64. Or non-subscribers that don't get this box, or the box itself, you get it for $79. So this is the code. And also, if you want to get this box, I have a referral code in my info box. I think you get like £5 off or something. I'm not saying you should do it, but you could use my code, get the boxes, and then get £15 off your advent calendar. But again, here is the code if you want to use this one. It's like we're September and they already come out with advent calendars. What is going on? Ooh. My girl crush, Angelina Jolie, UKL. Of course, yeah. Now I know why the boxes are heavy. It's Fashion Week month, isn't it? In September, so this is why this is such a big magazine. I like it though. That's such a big magazine. So, UKL. Oh, I didn't even read what it says here. Live every day like it's your birthday. Now, let's open it up. Something smells like coconut. Oh, another one of those. Oh my goodness. There's no candy in this time. Anyway, what's up with this? I have like 2 of these still left, or 3 or 4, even more. I don't have a bathtub. So I might as well put this into a giveaway. I think I would do this on my second Instagram account. I will do a giveaway with all the bath bombs that I have. So yeah, this is LookFantastic and bubble tea. Oh, funfetti. Anyway, I think it's this that smells so good. Yeah, it is this. It smells really nice though. So this is what it looks like. It's just white with some sprinkles in. It's hard to show though, to be quite honest. Limited edition LookFantastic birthday bath bomb, $4.99. Take a moment for yourself with this limited edition LookFantastic birthday bath bomb. Say that 5 times in a row. Oh my goodness. This cake-inspired bath bomb will help you celebrate our 5th birthday with us. Infused with essential oils and delicate scents, mix up your bath time with this bubble tea offering. This smells really good, but I will probably do a giveaway with all the bath bombs that I have. So if you want to win this, head over to my Instagram and you can win this. Not today, but sometime soon. This, oh yes, I'm so excited about it. This is the Molten Brown, Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. And if you never heard of this brand, let me tell you, it smells so good. We had, the people who get this box, we had another shower gel maybe a year ago, I'm not really sure. So good. So let me just see what this smells like. Oh my god. Oh, this smells really good. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this out. I mean, it's a shower gel. What will you? But I can't wait to use it. This retails for £10. Discover an iconic molten brown fragrance with this refreshing shower gel infused with cerulean, orange, bergamot, and neroli. Awaken your spirits and uplift your shower experience with this vibrant and lively body wash. So far so good. So far I'm really excited about it. Then, I have this. My Skin, My Shape, My Makeup. Sleek. Sleek is a good brand. I have their face tree on it. It's actually working as eyebrow stylist in medium. I don't know if this is medium. Oh, that looks really dark. Eyebrow stylist combines an angled pencil on one end with a styling and blending brush on the other end to groom brows into place. Let's just see. Why am I? Oh, there you go. Ooh, it has like a matte feel to it. Like it's not. Like ironically, it's not like sleek. You know what I mean? So where is he? Oh my god, this might actually work for me. This might actually work for me. I'm gonna be on this. Just slowly here the brush. You know what? I will try this out. This might even be too light for me. Oh my goodness. This is $6.49. Combining a unique angled pencil with a styling and blending brush, this innovative brow pencil helps achieve tailor-made strokes from thin to thick. Fill in your brows with either broad strokes or fine lines to achieve a natural look that lasts. I will get a mirror and then we'll try it out. I'm back. I never really do anything but my... Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see, I want to pierce my ears myself, and the needle didn't go through. This pierced hole was done professionally, and then this one I want to didn't work. Oh my god, what's wrong with my voice today? My goodness, I have no idea how to use this. Oh my god, this is not even my color. Let me just do this like I always do. Fill them in. You can definitely tell this is not my color. This is way too red. I mean, in the brows it doesn't look that bad, but in the front. I feel like honestly this is not my color. Yes, I can already hear everyone saying, oh my god, you don't know how to apply your eyebrow. Yeah, I know that. I'm not stupid. Yeah, this is not my shade. Unfortunately, I will just fill this in and then brush it through. This is not my shade. Unfortunately, I might give this to someone who can actually use it. Just not me. You know, it's really weird because medium, I mean, it's like very red based, orangey based, you know what I mean? So it's not really working for me. This, ooh, why is everything so dusty? My goodness. Pixie, Lip Lift Max, Glossy Lip Plumper. Okay, it's not like I just ordered lip gloss from Colourpop. Does it have a name? Honey Sheen. So this is what this lip gloss looks like. Oh my god, this smells straight up like peppermint. So of course it's a lip plumper. You have to have some peppermint in there, but do you see how? Oh my god, that's beautiful. I'll try it out as well. Just let me read to you what it says in the leaflet, and then we'll get to it. This is 12 pounds. Oh my god. Cooling upon application, this glossy formula soothes, conditions, and calms lips, leaving them with a high shine finish. Enjoy a subtle apricot gold gleam with Pixie's Honey Sheen shade. Ready? Oh my god. Oh, that's beautiful. Coincidentally, again, that is kind of the shade that I ordered from Colourpop. It's freaking insane, but this is gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh yes, I'm gonna wear this. Oh yes, I'm gonna wear that. Excuse my pimples, but oh my god, that's beautiful. This I like, yes. 2 plus steps. Oh, this is small.
That's what she said.
Premier cru. What? Eye cream. Oh, okay. Quarterly, apply morning and evening. It is small. Oh my god. For all skin types. Can I smell this? Probably can. Doesn't smell like anything to be honest, but just good because I don't want any fragrance near my eyes. This is really nice. This also tastes good. It doesn't have that intense peppermint taste to it. You taste it, but also tastes like something else. Actually tastes a bit like apricot something. You should not eat it. Don't eat it. So this is apparently worth $16.35. I hope it is the bigger version. Because $16 for this? This is, oh, by the way, 5 milliliters. That is not a lot. Give eyes a pick-me-up with this sophisticated eye cream. Designed to obscure visible signs of aging, this eye cream works instantly, brightening and refreshing the eye area. When applied, this eye cream helps to firm the skin whilst reducing the appearance of dark circles for a healthier finish. I'm gonna try it out as well because... I also put a little bit on my lids, not too much because I have all the lids in the first place. Okay, and then the other side as well. Never with too much pressure. You know, what can I say as an eye cream? I'm not expecting any intense results from this. Like, my wrinkles probably won't disappear, but it's nice to have. And then last but not least, just very sad because there's no candy in. We have this here by Oskia, or Osha. I think it's Oskia, I'm not really sure. Renaissance Cleansing Gel. After Renaissance did something for me. So, illuminating vitamin melting cleanser. Massage onto the dry skin until melted into an oil. Add a little water to emulsify and remove with warm water or damp muslin cloth. So this is 35 milliliters. Ooh, that is a nice color. Do you see this? It's like an apricot. Actually, that smells really good. Like, you can see the sheen there. That smells really good. It smells like Dr. Hauschka. I don't know if you know that brand. That's an, I think, all natural brand, and it kind of smells like this. So, we'll see how this works, because you know I have very sensitive eyes, and I like that is why I don't use a like an oil cleanser or just anything near my eyes. Really, if I use a cleanser, I avoid the eye area basically. So I will try it out. It says avoid the eye area, but you know, when you wash it off, it probably gets close to your eyes, and even that is sometimes a bit too much for me. So we'll see. I hope it's good. I will hope it's good. This is worth £14. Introduce a cold cleansing gel into your skincare regime with this peachy pink skin miracle. With a delicate rose chamomile scent, this cleansing gel quickly and gently dissolves makeup, leaving the complexion illuminated and hydrated. Utilizing pumpkin, enzyme, and vitamins A, C, and E, this cleansing gel detoxifies, soothes, and reduces inflammation. Like I said, I will try this out. So, and then last but not least, I will tell you what is also in the leaflet here. Apart from no candy in the box. I'm a bit buttered about this. Oh, I love that. Like, I have never been to England, right? To the UK in general. And I love getting candy from other places. So, you know, let's try out. Maybe I should order something from, I mean, you can get some food goodie snack boxes, whatever. But cake inspired beauty. So anything that smells like cake or looks like cake or whatever it is. Vanilla birthday cake. A philosophy. I thought it was Trackable, but so anything that looks like this or smells like it. 10 Minutes with Amanda Bell, the Global Director of Education Artistry for Pixie, the lip gloss thing, or brand that make lip gloss. Beauty Dictionary Collagen, what that actually is. Beauty Presents. Okay, some reviews from things you can get at LookFantastic.com. All of this. Meet the founder Georgia Cleave. Q&A with Georgie. Is that a typo? Is that really a nickname? Probably. Georgie Cleave, founder of multi-award-winning British skincare brand Oskia. And the sneak peek October is illuminating holographic sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and citrus oils. Holographic face mask. Oh my god, that's nice. And then stay connected, keep in touch so that you're the first to know. Follow us on Instagram and blah blah blah. So, and again, get that content. So that was everything that we got. You know, the people that are subscribed to this. Let me know what you think. Honestly, it could have been better. Like, I can see that a lot of people can use this, and it's kind of like a birthday more than treat yourself thing. Oh no, I thought, oh my god. I had this laying here, right, and I thought it was a piece of candy. Yeah, I mean, there's so many things I can't use. I mean, like, 2 things out of 5 that I can't use, that's a bit sad, so. But then again, who am I to complain? You know, there are probably a lot of people who can use it, so I'm happy with that. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried any of this out. Are my lips plumpier? I don't know, but they look nice. It's a nice gloss. I really like this. So, yeah, again, if you want to get this box, I have a referral code in my info box. If you want to use it, if not, don't. No one's forcing you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm almost so far away from the camera. Oh my goodness, hold on. I have like. Okay, this is kind of not working. Hold on. Okay, I just broke the box and almost dropped it. Oh my god, you know when you want to talk, but you kind of just choke and then like almost throw up? Oh my goodness.